small, I don't know why they got it.
Oh. Yeah, oh.
Okay.
Alright. Taking up for two. Alright. Alright. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Any question you can ask her.
Okay.
Okay.
4 bedrooms.
Where?
4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
This is
No, three.
3 bedrooms.
3 bedrooms.
Because I was four.
Okay, okay.
And then downstairs
Okay.
you have a.
I'm 2 bedrooms.
Okay, so it's 5 in all.
Right.
Oh.
3 on the upper floor.
3 on 4.
And a helper's floor, which is 4. And then rental unit.
Downstairs is a rental unit. Okay.
So should I not?
Can we go in here?
The only thing I could think of at that point was that
This is one of the rooms.
Right.
So, how do we?
One of the rooms. And they have your bathroom right off. The same room. Slide doors, you know, like slide doors. And so this is your bathroom. And you have a closet. Yeah. And the powder room, so it's a half, what do you call it? Powder, yeah, powder, half bar. This is a half bar. Alright, so anybody want powder up, and you can visit what you have, and you don't want to go in your place, you put them around here.
Are you the owner? So,
So this is the living.
No, you always find
Second bed.
Second bed. Alright, so this is one of the bedrooms. Very good.
About the breeze
Yes.
and the view.
And oh, let me come around here and show you the view. The view. Oops, focus. Look at that. This is so pretty. Wow. This is lovely. This is beautiful. You have AC, and you know you have a closet and another bathroom. So you see, nicely kept, lovely. I love it. And we come out of that bedroom. Oh gosh, this breeze is everything. Alright, so you slide the door. You're on your veranda. Yes. And you can come here and you see your view again. Do you see that? Do you see that view? So come back into the living. Oh, and over here is the kitchen. Kitchen area is right. Kitchen and dining. Nice, lovely kitchen. Oh, that's the garage. Right there. And you enter to the kitchen right here. And you have the little the arch there. It's a big kitchen. And you have the dining. Nice. Oh, laundry. Is laundry room biggie? This is a big laundry room. Laundry room. Big nice spaces. So the helper quarters will be down there. This one go down there. And so off the living we have another bedroom. And this is the bedroom. This is a walk-in closet. Nice. So you have your walk-in closet, and every room so far has a bathroom. So everybody have their own space. I love it. This is nice. You know? Everybody has their own little quarters and their own space. Alright, so I can go down now. Alright, thank you. So down here it is. The rails to hold on to. And down here you go. So this is our exit door? Yes, right. It's an exit door. And this is a bathroom. So you can see it's a small one. Alright.
As you can see, secure.
Yes. Oh yes, very much secure. And then so this is the room. And you know you can rent down here as well. Even though it is called help us quarters. It is down, no, understand. Is it down here, is that?
Where the gentleman lives, he has a two-bedroom.
Oh, he has a two-bedroom. Oh, okay, okay. Alright, so let's go down here. So if you rent anybody, then you can just lock off the area. Right now.
Yes, I know it.
Yes, honey, thanks. I'll go back all the way. It's a huge house. It's a massive house. And we are back again.
Your order chaos into success.
It's a lovely, lovely property.
It is a very lovely
I'm here
property.
telling her.
I said you have a lovely property.
Oh, thank you.
Very nice.
Help you to find a buyer.
Yes.
You're working on it.
You're working on it. All right. I thought you were going to be the buyer.
I'm actually a realtor as well.
She's a realtor. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. You're in the business.
Mm-hmm.
But we have an interested buyer, so we're doing some videos for them.
You'll get you, Mama.
Alana.
Alana.
Alana. Hi.
I keep my fingers
Cool.
and pray.
I pray.
I think it's the virus that's.
Yes, it's a lot of things can come.
Yeah.
So that's a lot of things. But we're working on it.
Good. Thank you. Keep on at it.
All right. Thank you for having us.
I hope to see you again. Oh, okay.
Thank you so much. Really appreciate
Yes, I
it.
hope I'll see you soon.
All right.
Very soon.
Very soon.
Expecting.
All right. Take care.
So we got details,
Yes.
everything. Phone numbers, stuff.
Yes. We got the address. This is like what's the direct address? Sunflower Drive.
Sunflower Drive.
205.
205
205
Sunflower.
Sunflower Drive.
Okay.
And you're going to go to the estate agent time.
Mm.
Yes.
His name is.
No, I got
Oh,
it.
we saw it.
You got it. Yes. Oh, okay.
Alright. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank
So,
you.
Remember now, just between us, alright?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
No, between you.
Thank you. Interested, this nice gentleman take good care of
No,
you.
you don't tell me something nice, you know.
All right?
You don't tell
Right
me
through.
something nice. You know what I got? You don't know what I'm talking about right now.
So as you can see, you have the stairs to go down to the helpers quarters that I just told you. You can walk there. And so this is all the front first. And you get a little garden area and go all the way around. Alright. Go down here. Oh, so this is an entrance as well. And underneath here, across from, you have a 2-bedroom down here as well. So you see, it's massive. It's massive. So down here is for rent. So this is the rental. A 2-bedroom that's in here as well. Alrighty. So if you are interested, can make one more so we can make real time now, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is the one, right?
Take care.